Okay, so here is the standard door track with the water dam attached. We have two water dams, a large one for high-rise work and a small one for high winds and a lot of rain. Okay, this is your stationary track, this is your operating track, and this is your water dam. So this area in here is where we would expect a little bit of overflow. So what we do in this case is we drill a hole into the overflow cavity, where it redirects the water into the body of the frame, and then we drill holes in the front of the frame, and that lets the water evacuate out. So the water dam is just to catch any water that overflows this leg, like you see in this door here. Okay, so here's your stationary panel, here's your operating panel, and here's your water dam, just like in this sample. So any water that comes in here and fills this track up, this is fine. If it gets high enough where the water pressure is not as high as the air pressure, it may overflow this leg, this raised leg that the door sash rides on. If it does overflow this leg, it goes into this pocket that's created by the water dam, into the body of the frame and out the front. Another thing you'll notice, it's kind of hard to see on this, but we'll offset the holes. So there are 3 holes down in the pocket, and there are 2 offset holes out. And that avoids the pressure coming directly in line with the holes down, so you don't have a whistling. It kind of minimizes some of the pressure. But here's a sample, like I said, stationary panel, operating panel, water dam. Here it is in real life. So you can imagine any water that does come in and fill this track up, if for some reason it's too much pressure and overflows this leg, it'll fall into the water dam, into the body of the frame, and out of the front.